finally arrived in Jeju. We picked up the keys for our rental car and they were nice enough to give us a free iced Americano as well. And we are going to get going. So we have got into our rental car and we have just parked up at our first spot, which is the famous Dodu Dong Rainbow Coastal Road. So some of you may know this place, but it's super famous in Jeju as a great photo spot and scenic area, particularly for the ocean. Let's go and check it out. So we are getting the set B for 2 people.
No, without
We are at a very famous restaurant right now in Jeju Island, and we are about to try some very traditional dishes, which includes the rockfish stew with abalones and shrimp. And we are also very excited to try the grilled sea bream, but also traditional Jeju pork is also very famous here. Also, if you want to try this restaurant as well, make sure that you book a reservation in advance, because this particular one, I got lucky booking a few days before, but it's actually booked out in this branch, which is the airport branch, and in all the other branches on Jeju Island. So if you want to try out this restaurant, make sure you book on the app. You can book a reservation on Catch Table. This is the famous Jeju pork. It's so soft. Really good. Morning everyone. So me and Akash are up bright and early today. We got up at about 4:15, 4:25. Akash has been mostly silent at this early hour, but he is driving us to Seongsan Ilchulbong, also known as Sunrise Peak on Jeju Island. So it is actually a volcanic mountain. It is inactive, luckily, and there isn't really good hiking trail there. So as I was saying, it is known as Sunrise Peak, so a lot of people, I would say most people, do hike up that trail, which is about 20 to 30 minutes, very early in the morning. If we wanted to do that, we would probably have to start our day at like, I don't know, like 3:30. I'm really excited for this. It looks amazing. Like the volcano was like erupted 5,000 years ago or something, and correct me if I'm wrong, by the way. This is just what I've done a bit of light reading on it, and it's a massive crater that is connected to the island in some way. So I think it's going to be pretty amazing. I can't wait we get to see it. So yeah. So this is us at the start of our hike. Smiling, happy. Let's see how we feel after this hike. It's about 20 to 30 minutes. I can't lie to you guys, it's looking pretty high up there and pretty steep. But I have faith. Let's do this. Finally at the top of Seongsan Ilchulbong. We had a look at the crater and it's huge. The views are amazing up here. I don't know how you found the walk, but the walk wasn't too bad. It was all clearly paved and it was a bunch of steps basically. Probably took about 20 minutes, maybe 20-30 minutes. Yeah. It's definitely quite steep, so it was a workout for the legs. There's also a coastal pathway to take on the way down, so I'm hoping to take that path. Anyway, for now, I think I'm going to enjoy these views. I have never seen black sand before, so this is so exciting for me. It looks amazing, and it's not like the normal yellow sand that you get. Like, it's like some really tiny black rocks mixed with white. Like, it just looks so surreal. So let me actually show you, for those of you who might be curious. This is what it looks like. Isn't that crazy? And then there's like little tiny white little shells. I love the ocean, so for me this is like such a dream to be here. It's just so cool. We are finally back in the car now. I'm already exhausted, but honestly it was an amazing experience. The summit to the top of the volcano was just wow. You guys have to go. Next spot is going to be Gwangchigi Beach, and this is also a great viewing spot for the volcano from a distance. So yeah, I have seen some photos of it, but I'm not really sure what to expect. But I can already see just behind the camera that the view of the volcano looks amazing from here. But it is more of a distanced view. So yeah, let's go and check it out. But there's nobody here. There was literally only like one guy who was nice enough to take a photo of us, and I was like, that's so sweet. And I think he was American. I think he had an American accent. But it's so nice here. I don't know whether it's because we're here during off-peak season. So this is April. The weather is very mild, so it is a bit chilly. But the sun is out, like, you know, it's cardigan weather, you know? So I feel like it's perfect. Honestly, this is just such a beautiful beach, and there's actually a lot more shells here, so if you're a little shell collector like me. I didn't take any this time because I just don't have space, and I'll be here for hours knowing me, but yeah. Me and and Akash have had no breakfast, no coffee. We are 100% struggling. A first pit stop at Boryang Bakery, which is actually conveniently just down the road from Gwangchigi Beach. And then from there, we will be going to a cafe, so that we can get our coffee fix. This seems to be some kind of donut with a filling. It looks so good. So this is the sausage bun. Also looks very good. Gamttanam citrus cafe here. It's amazing because even though it's not the local season for oranges here, you can still see different kinds of variety. So I believe the season for orange picking is between October to January, but we're here in Jeju in April at the moment. So we are able to try today, the shop owner has given us a Hyeopjae orange to try fresh. So we also got the signature orange juice, which was so good, by the way, so fresh. Now we're gonna actually try the orange itself. So again, this is the Hyeopjae variety. Oh, that went in my eye. Whoa. Look at that.
Wow.
This looks good, you guys. Finally at the Cheonjiyeon Waterfall. I have no idea if I said that correctly, but the view is amazing here. Just take a look. We have just sat down for dinner. We are at Jeju Grill, and this particular place is very famous for its black pork, and just in general, Jeju Island is famous for their black pork as well. So super excited to try this. This is a barbecue place, so we've got the barbecue here. You can see we have no idea how to use it, but I'm sure it's not rocket science.
Chicken.
Dried radish.
Radish. Oh, okay.
Dried radish.
Dried radish. Okay.
Soybean paste.
Soybean paste. Okay.
Raw wasabi, fried salt, and the fish.
Fish
And
paste.
this is anchovy.
Anchovies. Oh, okay.
Boiling metal dish.
Wow.
so good. So flavorful, and the sauces and then the crunch of the lettuce, like everything combined is so amazing. This morning we made a quick pit stop at Starbucks, got some coffee in hand, and now we are just driving towards a strawberry farm. So this particular strawberry farm that we're going to is called Dongsan Farm, and they're quite a low-key farm, I would say. Like, you know, you can't just turn up, and it's not really a reservation system, but it's good to let them know in advance if you're coming, because they are a smaller farm, I think, and they don't really publish their hours, and they don't have set hours, so there could be certain days or certain seasons where they might be closed, etc. It's a bit it can be different. So yeah, I hope I will be able to get in. I'm not really sure what to expect, and it's really off the beaten track. Finally at the Dongsan Strawberry Farm, and it's amazing here. Just take a look at all these strawberries. Okay, so we just came out of the strawberry picking area, and now they've got a little sink here where you can wash the strawberries. Let's give it a little taste test, shall we? Oh my god. They are so nice. 10 out of 10. finished the Yongmeori coastline walk. Wow, it was 10 out of 10. I love nature, and that was a very exhilarating walk. Like, it definitely felt dangerous at times because you're right at the edge of the coast, and I mean, this is I believe this is corroding coastal area, so I don't think it's the safest thing, but at the same time, like, there were families there and everything, so I'm sure it's fine. But yeah, it was an amazing experience, and just nature is just wow. Like, honestly, it just looks so cool. Akash was loving it because he's a bit of a daredevil anyway, so he likes, you know, kind of that adrenaline, and if it's like a little bit dangerous kind of thing. It is safe, like there were babies there and stuff, you know, so yeah, it was a really good experience. And now it's a one-way journey to do that coastal walk, and then when you come out, you're actually already on the way to this temple that sits across the mountain. So yeah, we're gonna maybe get a little bite to eat, like a little snack or something, and then go and check out the temple. Update, I'm almost up Sanbangsan Mountain, and I hope it's worth it, because apparently in this temple, if you wish for something, it'll come true. Today we are flying to Busan. So our flight is actually in the early afternoon, around 1 p.m. So I don't know whether me and Akash really have enough time to do anything else in Jeju, to be honest. And I think before I go, I just wanted to give you a little tour of our apartment that we've been staying in as well, because I realized I didn't do that at the start. So for me, the best thing about this apartment is the view. I mean, I think that's what made it a standout apartment for me. So this hotel is actually more of an Airbnb, and we got this on Airbnb, so I can share the link. But already you can see how amazing this ocean view is. I mean, it's not blocked by a single building in sight, so it really is just the sea straight away. And honestly, waking up to this has just been amazing. I'm definitely gonna miss this. But yeah, I think this is what really attracted me to this Airbnb. It's not in a secluded area or anything, so there's definitely shops nearby. And further down that way, I think there's like a strip area where, you know, you have a bunch of cafes and restaurants, etc. So I can pretty much show you the apartment from here. So you've got a kitchenette area there, and then the bathroom is through there. That's the main entrance, and you've got a really nice big living space here. That's all our luggage packed up. And then what I love about certain style of apartments is when they have like a little stair and then like a loft room. I just think that is so cool and cozy. So it was perfect size really for our stay. I can actually show you the bedroom area. Let's go up, shall we? So this is the bedroom, and you also have a fan and a little vanity desk area as well. So yeah, that is pretty much what our room looks like. It's not super modern or anything super fancy, but it was perfect for what we needed, and the price was really good too.
Is ahead.
Just left Samyang Beach, and now we actually are a bit against the clock before we have to return the car back to the rental company. So we're gonna go to Lotte Market. We're gonna check out a South Korean supermarket, see what that's all about. Then we're gonna return our car and then get our flight to Busan. Fermented food. They have got so many sections of snacks here, you guys. What are you gonna get? They have truffle potato chips. I've got matcha brownies here, you guys. Jeju has been an amazing experience. I am so excited though because the South Korea series isn't over yet. Our next stop is going to be Busan, as you know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and all our adventures driving around Jeju. Yeah, and I think it will be interesting going from like beach vibes to back to the city. So it'll be interesting, and we have so much planned for Busan. I'm really excited. So yes, I will see you in Busan. Bye.